Hi, so in this video we're going to show you how you can call PDF Butler in a screen flow. Obviously other types of flow can be used, and I've got the world's simplest example here in front of us. So I'm going to get my opportunity. I've then got a screen element which is just setting the lead source, but then as I do that I want to call PDF Butler. So I suppose the use case in here is that we only want to let people send this document, which is a quote document in our case, if they have set the lead source. So we've got this action for you, Apex action. So it's just called call PDF Butler. So I've called it that here as well. And you can see that we have brought in the .config ID. So that is from the Salesforce URL. Now you might want to set those in custom settings so that they carry over from test to production. Some of the things are required. The record ID is required, and we've also got lots of other controls. So you can see if you want to use this as a pack, then you can do. There's kind of lots of different parameters that you might want to use, but it's usual PDF Butler stuff. So this one is just going to save to the record, but if you want that to send off an email or send for signature, then you can do as well. If you want to see all the kind of documentation on it, visit our Academy, search Lightning Flow, and download this document, which will explain all of those as well. So this flow is activated. All I want to do now is go over to it in our record. You can see it's picking up the current field. So let's say I want to change this to partner referral, press next, and what that's done has changed lead source to partner referral. And now if I scroll down to the files, then we'll see one created just a second ago. And the file is, as usual, customized, and in our case it's just saved to the record. But as I say, anything else could have happened as part of your flow there. If you do have any other questions about how that can work, send us an email, support@pdfbutler.com.